Hi, sweet friends. Today I will draw Bluey with a magical Christmas gingerbread cookie that comes to life. While the drawing slowly forms, let's enjoy this warm holiday tale together. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, so every Christmas sparkle can reach you. The snow fell gently over the Healer house. Inside, the kitchen was filled with the sweet smell of cinnamon, sugar, and spice. Bluey stood on a little stool, her paws dusted with flour as she helped Mum bake gingerbread for Christmas Eve. "Press the cutter here, Bluey," Mum said kindly. Bluey pushed the gingerbread cutter down and lifted it. Out popped a cookie shaped like a little person with tiny arms and legs. Bluey's tail wagged. "He's so cute." They placed the cookies in the oven, and soon the air filled with the warm smell of baked ginger. Bluey peeked through the glass, her eyes wide with anticipation. When the timer dinged, she carefully took the tray out with Mum's help. One cookie in particular, shaped just right, seemed to sparkle under the kitchen light. Bluey tilted her head. "That one looks special," she whispered. As they decorated with icing, Bluey gave the sparkling cookie bright buttons, a cheerful smile, and frosting shoes. The moment she finished, the cookie blinked. Bluey gasped. You moved." The gingerbread cookie stood upright, stretched its arms, and squeaked, "Hello, Bluey. Thanks for the icing shoes. I feel ready to dance." Bluey clapped her paws with delight. "A dancing cookie. This is the best Christmas ever." The gingerbread hopped off the tray and twirled across the counter. Bluey joined in, spinning with him, her giggles filling the kitchen like music. "Careful, don't fall." Bluey laughed as the cookie slid down the counter onto the floor. But the gingerbread landed perfectly, bowing with flair.
"Tajda."
Mum chuckled, shaking her head warmly. "Looks like you've found a new holiday friend, Bluey." Together, Bluey and the gingerbread cookie danced around the living room, weaving between twinkling lights and ornaments on the Christmas tree. The cookie tapped its icing shoes on the wooden floor, making a little rhythm like a drummer. Bluey hopped side to side, singing, "Dance, dance, cookie prance." The cookie spun so fast that little crumbs sprinkled lightly onto the carpet. Bluey laughed harder. "Don't crumble too much." When they finally collapsed on the rug, out of breath, the gingerbread sighed happily. "Bluey, thank you for bringing me to life. Tonight is full of joy because of you." Bluey hugged the tiny cookie gently in her paws. "And thank you for dancing with me. Christmas feels extra magical now." The lights from the tree glowed softly over them, casting red and green sparkles across the room. The gingerbread's frosting smile looked brighter than ever. As the night grew late, the cookie whispered, "I might not last forever, but the memory of our dance will never fade." Bluey nodded, her voice soft and filled with love. "Then every Christmas, I'll remember you." She placed the cookie gently on a plate by the tree, tucking it under the glow of the star above. Snowflakes tapped the window, and the room felt warm with love, laughter, and the true spirit of Christmas. "Close your eyes, let sweetness stay." Bluey danced with joy today. Gingerbread dreams, soft and bright, carry your heart through Christmas night.